Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Schedule 1 not launching, keeps crashing, or is just stuck on black screen. And let's get straight into the video. So the first method you guys can try doing is make your way over to Steam, go over to Schedule 1. From Schedule 1, right click on it, hit Properties, and then go over to Installed Files, and then you can go ahead and select on Verify this game's files are installed correctly and hit Verify integrity of game files. And what this basically does is that it just checks, if there are any corrupt files, and it will fix that issue. Now what you can also do is from within Schedule 1, what you can do is go ahead and turn down your graphics settings. Maybe your PC is not able to handle like the highest settings, so you can go ahead and turn that down to either low or medium. But if that is not an issue, what you can do is the third method, which is going to be go over to search bar, type in device device manager. From the device manager, make your way over to display adapters, right click on your GPU and hit update driver, and then from here you can go ahead and choose search automatically for drivers. And this basically just updates your GPU, and once you're done with that, you guys should be good to go and you are all set. You can always try restarting your PC as well, and yeah, so once you're done with all of these steps, you guys are good to go, and that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.